Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss regarding with motion. So before going to learn actual definition of the motion or bookish definition of the motion, let us try to understand the motion, the concept of the motion through some live examples. So what are those examples? Flying bird in the air, or the fish swimming in the water, or the blood flows through our veins and arteries, or the car moving on the road. All these are the examples of the motion. Atoms and molecules, their motion, motion of the planets, motion of the stars, motion of the galaxies. These are also examples of the motion. Motion of air by observing movement of the dust particles. Sometimes it happens like at home, through some windows or through some corners. Sunrays will come inside the room. And in those sunrays, we will observe these dust particles. We will observe these dust particles and movement of those dust particles. So with that movement or with that realization, we come to know that yes, there is some motion of the air in the room. Sometimes movement of the leaves and branches of the trees we will observe. Whenever it is about to rain, the leaves on the ground floor, they will start flying, or the coconut trees along with its leaves and the branches of the trees, this coconut tree, they will start moving or they will start to shake. We will observe the movement there. Or phenomenon of sunrise, phenomenon of sunset, and changing of the seasons. All these are the beautiful examples of the motion. So in coming videos, we will discuss actually what this motion is, what are different types of motion, how we define the motion, how we describe the motion. So all these concepts we will discuss in the coming videos. Thank you.